When William Samoei Ruto, the president of this Republic of Kenya, toured the Western region, most of the people thought that the president has gone for development, but just check things that he was launching. Yani, president went ahead to launch a blender. Surely, this is something very interesting. And now, his main achievement, or rather what he did best, was now to attack the opposition, right, left, and center. Just listen from him.
Mimi nataka nimwambie, my friend, don't try me. Tunaelewana? Huyo mtu alifukuzwa bunge. Si alifukuzwa bunge? Unanimous alifukuzwa bunge. Na alifukuzwa bunge kwa sababu ya ukabila. Alifukuzwa bunge kwa sababu ya wizi. Alifukuzwa bunge kwa sababu ya mauaji. You have no business lecturing us in the Republic of Kenya. You have no space. And I want to say this without fear of any contradiction. You will lead nobody. You will lead nowhere. And you will lead nothing. Sijui kama tunaelewana, my friends. Kakamega hoye. Bungoma hoye. Western hoye. Munasema tuungane. Munasema tushirikiane. Tumalize ukabila. Tumalize ubaguzi. Tumalize chuki. Tuungane. Wangapi wanasema tuungane jameni, tuungane. Tumeelewana jameni? Si Waswahili wanasema umoja ni nini? Ati umoja ni nini? Hapo ndio tumesimama. Na unajua hata kuna mwingine hapo sijui, wacha nisiseme leo.
And guys, in case this is your first time coming across us, kindly please take a minute or two, click that subscribe buttons, then allow the notification buttons to be on. Whenever we should be producing a video like this one, YouTube will automatically giving you a notification. And for those who are in position, you can still support this channel through the number you are seeing on your screen. And now guys, let's call a spade a spade. I think what William Samoei Ruto is doing in this nation, he should now go back on a drawing board. Kwa sababu we cannot deny that fact that since this guy was elected in office up to now, he is still promising Kenyans, I will do A, I will do B, and I will do Z, without even starting to do them. And when you look at critically, some of this affordable housing that the guy is doing submission to the people is not under his program. When you look at keenly, these houses are mostly situated in Nairobi, and not just in Nairobi, but in most of the slums. Take the one in Mwaro kwa Njenga. Mwaro kwa Njenga, those houses was under slum upgrading program. And the only thing that this guy is saying we shall do to make a billion. Just listen from this.
Bungoma, my budget for Bungoma County is 34 billion Kenya shillings. Tujenge manyumba hapa. Tumesema tunajenga soko mpya Bungoma County. Soko 20 mpya hapa Bungoma County. Tumesema hapa Bungoma County tunajenga hostels ya vijana wetu. Hostel ya hapa Kibabii, hostel ya KMTC, hostel ya ile Polytechnic, National Polytechnic. Hawa jamaa hawa wa National Polytechnic. Sindio? Tumesema Bungoma tayari tunajenga hostels ya vijana 7,500 in our KMTC, in our Technical Training College, in our National Polytechnic, and in our university here in Kibabi.
And now, as we speak, time is moving very fast. March is already done. March, we are already done with it. We are now heading to April. And now, this year is moving very fast. I don't think if this project, or rather this kutenga na kupromise, will make any change. Next year is due. And now people are now going back to election. And things that shock me most is that when this guy is launching these things that he was launching, you find that the electorate, or rather the common mananchi there, were very happy. You have heard how that mother was singing. That mother was happy. That was his first time kuona, let me say, blender. Sijui alikuwa ameblend nini, sijui ni nyanya, tomato. I don't know what he was trying to blend, but what we know that blender was being launched. What is in the public domain? What is your thought, guys? Now, the most question that I normally ask myself, nikijitaka mkutano kidogo, I normally say that, where will this guy get votes? That is the main question that I normally talk about it. But the answer I'm coming up with the next video, how Eugene Wamalwa is exposing Ruto to take over the IEBC, and he wants that this IEBC will not engage in opposition as we move to 2027 general election. That is something very, very, very interesting, and it is now going to shape the politics of this nation. Let me say that we are in this field playing against each other. Take, for example, of a football match. Then you find that the referee there is just listening to one team, but the referee is not going to listen to this team. So, what will be the next there? Catch up in the next video. If you have not, what will be the outcome there? Catch up in the next video. What is your thought on William Samoei Ruto launching that blender there in Vihiga? I was to do it yesterday, but I was trying to find out, was it really a blender? But from the what you are garnering, it is real. Drop it in the comment section. I'll be doing my best to read it and giving you a response. And with that, guys, peace and love. This is MKUU Politics. Bye bye.
And with that, guys, thank you for choosing Kenya Political Brief as our primary news platform, more so on politics. Kindly please share this video to a friend. If politics is your passion, this is the place you really wish to be. Kindly subscribe. Bye bye.